Welcome to our multiplication warm-up. Now this activity we've got for the whole week. Now you're going to need a few things. This multiplication table I've got in front of you. And you're also going to need a dice. Now I've got a dice for you ready to go unless you have your own dice. Now this activity goes for the whole week. I'm not sure when we're going to be coming back to school. So it doesn't need to be submitted until the day before we get back to school. So whether it's Friday or Wednesday or Tuesday, we're just going to wait to see what the government has to say. So you can see I've got a Monday, a Tuesday, a Thursday, and a Friday card. And I've got my dice link down here. So let's go back to the Monday one. Now, actually, we're going to go a step further. Let's go back to our multiplication table. Now, let's remind ourselves how it works. So if I wanted to do 4 multiplied by 3, I go down here 4 and 3, and I see where the 2 meet up. That's 12. I'm trying not to do 4, 8, 12, or 3, 6, 9, 12. I need to learn them off by heart. And when we do the pattern bit, we're not actually remembering that 4 3s are 12. If I wanted to do, say, 8 multiplied by 5, come down here to 8. Here's 5. 8 5s are 40. Let's look at what you're going to do today. So, today, I want you to think about a multiplication that you could be working on. I'm going to work on my 3s. If you want to work on something different, all you need to do is change the 3 to a 4, a 5, a 6. That's up to you, but I'm going to do my 3s. Now, I've already got my dice ready. And for those who don't know how to change my dice, just to make sure that it's a 10-sided dice, I click on the spanner. I make sure it says 0 to 9 dice numbers. And I just do in current window, and that will change it for me. And it's nice and ready. Thank you to the good people of Enrich Maths. They've got some amazing math stuff that I like to use. So, I want to roll my dice. And it's a 4. I go back to where I'm working. So, not that one there. Where's it going? I must have clicked it. Oh, there's different things open. There we go. Here it is. Yeah. So, what was our number again? It was a 4. So, 3 multiplied by 4. So, I'll look at it down here. 3 4s. I know that answer. It's going to be 12. So in here, I want to make sure I'm on this bit here, and I'm going to write 12. Now I just want to shorten that down a little bit, and I can put in here, and I want to make that a little bit smaller. Okay, that fits nice and easily. Let's go back to my dice. We've got the same thing here. So I check it. 4 3s are 12. That's okay. Roll my dice again. That's a 3. 3 3s. 3 3s are 9. And let's put it here. Make it smaller. That's going to put in there. Nice and easy. So I go back to my dice again. Roll it. Roll and roll and roll and roll and roll. 3 2s. 3 2s. I know that one. 3 2s are 6. Here's 3 2s are 6. We'll do one of that. Make it a bit smaller like that. Now I'm happy. Let's see if we can get a big number. Come on, Mr. Dice Man. Give me like an 8 or a 9. That's a 5. 3 5s. Now, if I'm not sure, I can always go back to here. Here's my 5. Here's my 3. And they made it 15, don't they? So I go back to here and I can type it in. 15. Make it nice and small so it's going to fit nicely. Now, I know that some people are saying to themselves, well, I could just add it in. Or I could just, I know my 2s, I'll just do my 2s. Now, you could do that, but I would say to yourself, are you challenging yourself? Are you pushing yourself? Because we need to learn our multiplication facts off by heart. So if you just went 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, I would say that would be cheating and not trying your very best. Wouldn't you say the same thing? Now, let's move on. Tomorrow, Tuesday's maths, you could say, I want to work on the same multiplication facts. I could work on my 3s again, or I could work on a different one. And we fill out the chart here. We then do the same for Thursday and Friday. Remember, the aim of the game is for you to learn these multiplication facts off by heart. So when we get back to school and your teacher, Mr. Krafchick or I, ask you a multiplication fact, we know you've learned it off by heart because you've been playing the game properly. So I hope you enjoyed this task and you submit it at the end of the week.